The birds out here are incredible. There's so many species, and there's so many species that this is a very critical body of water to them.
One thing that's unique about Great Salt Lake when birders come here is they're amazed at the numbers of birds that they see. It isn't just one or two hopping along the side of the road or along the beach. It's a lot of birds flying and eating and just gorging themselves at the cafeteria that the Great Salt Lake truly is.
But also Great Salt Lake was one of the first migratory bird refuges in the United States, and we have thousands and thousands of birds.
This area, this lake here, my Great Salt Lake and your Great Salt Lake, is such a dynamic ecosystem. It's on the international map. We're part of the Pacific Flyway with the birds during their migrational period, and it's a globally important bird area. These are areas that we should be protecting.
For more information and updates about the Great Salt Lake, go to our Facebook page, Evaporating Shorelines. You can email us at greatsaltlakestory@gmail.com.